Is it possible to make money while cryptocurrencies are still going down? Today, I'll show you how. Hey, this is Chris from Crypto Team. And while cryptocurrencies are in a downturn, we want to make sure that our viewers are still able to make money. So, one way to make money is to make money off the things that you already buy. And one way to do that is to use receipt apps. I'm going to review the receipt app Fetch. Please feel free to view our other videos to see the review of Receipt Hog and Receipt Pal. So now we're going to go ahead and get to the last receipt application, which is Fetch. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's dive in. All right, when you see Fetch, you click on the little doggy app and you'll see Fetch's application. So before I uploaded receipts since July of 2021, and I've already received 30,043 coins. That's a lot of coins compared to the other receipt applications. One cool thing about receipt app, one cool thing about Fetch, excuse me, is that when you do refer somebody, you automatically get 3,500 points, and that's great. And I have referred one person, so you can deduct 3,500 from the 30,000, and you still get more coins than the other receipt apps that I've done a review on. Another good thing about Fetch is that you can use your points to enter into sweepstakes, so that's cool as well. Also, they've actually updated their app and they're giving something called daily rewards where you can spend just like Receipt Hog to get more coins. I haven't done that yet, but they just done this. Another cool thing about Fetch is that if they find certain things on your receipt, they'll actually give you more coins than just uploading a regular receipt. So, for example, if you went out and you bought these McLean frozen potatoes or McLean frozen onion rings, you automatically receive 1,300 coins. And you don't have to type anything in and say, yes, I've purchased the frozen potatoes or the onion rings. What it'll do, it actually scan the receipt and it look for them and it says, oh, okay, I see you purchased the potatoes, and it automatically give you 1,300 coins. So, what exactly can I do with 30,000 coins? If you go to rewards, you'll see that that Fetch is very, very intuitive. So, let's just suppose I want a retail card. I click on retail, and since I have 30,000 coins, you can see that already I can get from Adidas a $10 or a $25 gift card. And it also tells me that I'm on the way to receive a $50 gift card from Adidas. And what you do is you can type in any store that you can think of and see if they have a gift card available. You can also see if certain gift cards are worth more than others, meaning I'll take the $25 DSW versus the $25 Dix, 27,000 coins for the $25 DSW versus 27,500 coins for the $25 gift card for Dix. So you can actually tell, and then if you go up a little bit further, you see 28,000 coins for CVS. So you can actually tell where you're going to receive more coins for the same amount of money. So this is cool. So Fetch is more intuitive than any of the other receipt apps that I've seen. So all you have to do with Fetch, let's suppose I want a Kroger card. Go to Kroger and you select the amount that you want, and then you just go from there. I don't want to do that because I don't want the gift card right now, but this is really, really cool. And they partner with a lot of different stores. So, there are a lot of different choices. And you can see, since I have 30,000 coins, I just click on up to 25,000 and it'll just tell me exactly who I can get gift cards from. So, as you see, already I'm doing so much better in Fetch than I am in the other previous receipt apps because Fetch is it's just a better application. It's just the best application out there. And this is where I would put my time. So let me just show you exactly how to do this. Just like the other applications, you can upload e-receipts. Like the other applications, I can take a picture, same dollar store receipt that I've uploaded for Receipt Hog and Receipt Pal. Take a picture of it and watch what it does. It automatically tells you that it received the store, the total, and the date. So that tells you right there that you've received everything that you need to upload your receipt. And like I said, this is instant gratification. Unlike the other receipt applications, you can see it checked and made sure you had the store, the date, and the total. And then what did it do? It gave me my points immediately. And then as you see, because I uploaded it at $2.68 Dollar Tree, I got to play for some free points. And like I said, I've never done this before, but oh cool, I got 5 free coins. So you see, out of that $1 store receipt, I received 30 coins. You see my daily reward and my receipt scan bonus. So that is so cool. And we see that was added. We see that that was actually added to my total. I don't know exactly what that is at the top, the gift. I need to go back and look. But that 30 extra was added to my total. Now I'm at 30,073 coins. And I just thought that was super cool. So if you want instant gratification, you can see that your receipts are going to pass. You saw the store name, the total, and the price was all checked off before re-uploaded. So it just tells you right there, everything's checked. You're going to get your coins. You get your coins immediately. You didn't have to wait like other receipt applications. You don't have to wait. You don't have to guess. You don't have to see if my stuff's going to go through. No, you can see it immediately. So this is the best receipt application out there. I recommend Fetch any day of the week. Thanks again. This is Chris from Crypto Team. Thanks again for watching.